So now we are going to see this short direct TV script. So who can read the first point with your pseudonym? You have fixed your pseudonym, right? Yeah. Yes. Any one of the guys in the front row, so that I guess it will be audible. Okay.
Hi, this is Justin calling from Short Direct. How are you?
Yes. Hi, this is Justin from Short Direct. How are you? Fine. So while introducing yourself, pronounce your name properly and ask how are you in a proper way. Okay. It should not be rude. Okay. We have to ask those things in a polite way. Okay. You can ask them how are you or how are you doing today. Anything. Hi, this is Justin from Short Direct. How are you? Okay. You have to leave small pause there. Okay. Hi, this is Justin from Short Direct. Or hi, this is Justin from Short Direct. You have to leave a pause. Then ask how are you. Okay. Don't just run. Okay. Hi, this is Justin from Short Direct. How are you? They will hang up the call. Okay. If you are speaking with high speed, they will hang up the call. Okay. So speak very slowly. Let us see. Let us have an example with all the three guys in the first row. Who is in the middle? I forgot the names actually. Yes. Yeah, your name I forgot. I'm sorry. Manoj. Yes, Manoj. Yes, Manoj. So what is your pseudonym? Max. Okay. So what is your last name?
Sir, actually they have not provided the pseudonym.
No one will provide the pseudonym. You have to get it from Google. Okay, you can Google it and you can find out Max Smith or something like that. You can just fix the last name, whichever is suitable. Okay. So as in call, you are not going to use the last name. I mean in the introduction. Okay. But when the customer is asking you, what's your last name, you have to immediately answer them. Yeah. For example, if I use the name as Sam Anderson. Okay. So if the customer is asking me what's your last name in the middle of the call, sometimes they might ask you at that time. My last name is Anderson, Sam Anderson. Likewise, you can reply. Fine. So okay, Max. So hereafter, you guys are going to call with your pseudonyms. Okay. Yes, Max. So you can just speak the dialogue. You're not going to read the dialogue. You're going to speak the dialogue. Yeah.
Hi, this is Max from Short Direct. How are you?
Yes. Well, good. So next one.
Hi, this is John from Canadian Telecom. I have to read that only, sir.
Sorry?
Yeah. Hi, this is John from Short Direct. How are you?
Yes. Hi, this is John from Short Direct. How are you? Fine. Okay, one more guy, please. Next one.
Hi, this is Sam from Short Direct. How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm always fine. Thank you. Good. So he is using my pseudonym Sam. Okay. So what is your last name? You have to fix it, right? Okay, fine. Okay, Sam. I use Sam Anderson. Okay, if you are using the name Sam, you have to maintain the quality. Okay. Fine. Because rather than quantity, I concentrate on quality. Okay, whatever the sales I do, it will get installed in the customer's house. In that way only, I will only for that customer I will speak. Okay, fine, good. Okay, let us move on to the next dialogue. Okay, about this introduction, before moving on to the next dialogue, about this introduction, whenever you make introduction, even in your sleep or the last call of the day, your energy level should be proper. Okay, it should be high. Okay, even in the last call when you log out, the last call we don't know which might be a sales call, right? So we have to maintain the energy. Guys, listen here. What is the problem there? If anything is important, I will wait. No worries on that. You can just concentrate on that, and we can come back to the dialogues. Dude, you don't want to be a statue now. So tell me, if anything is urgent or important, definitely you can just
Sir, nothing like that.
Okay, fine. Okay, then you can concentrate here. Okay, fine. So tell me what I said that last. Manoj will tell me. Yeah. What is the last point I have told you?
Energy level should be high, sir.
Okay. After that, I have said don't point.
While starting also, while ending also, sir.
Okay. While logging out, you have to keep the same energy level. And I have said some other point also. That is what I'm asking. Okay, no problem. That is, we don't know which is a sale call. Okay, we don't know which is a sale call. Okay, so it might be at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. Okay, or before that. We don't know which might be a sale call. So definitely we have to use proper energy in a polite way. Okay, we should not, if we are frustrated, we should not reflect that in our call. Okay, that is what very important is. Fine. So let us move on to acknowledgement now. Okay. So you have seen the acknowledgements. So different acknowledgements are there. These things are tested. Okay, it will work out. Okay, at least up to 50%. Okay, so you can use this, but if you want to use a better one than this, definitely it is allowed. Okay, you don't need to go with the script and all. Okay, if you know the concept, you can speak your own dialogues. Okay, not only for acknowledgement, but without grammatical mistake, without sentence formation mistake, you have to speak. The concept should be the same. Sorry, the concept should be the same, but the English should be proper. Okay, because it is their mother tongue. Okay, we cannot collapse the language. Okay, fine. So when we are telling when the customer is telling something, and we are telling okay, that's fine, or when the customer is saying okay, for what we are asking them, how are you or how are you doing today, the customer is replying you okay, just okay. What you can do is like okay, that's fine, or otherwise, well, I have a good offer. Likewise, you can start the pitch A1. Okay, that is promotion. Okay, pitching the promotion. That point you can start. Okay, saying about the pricing and package for the television. Okay. Yeah. So now, if the customer is telling bad, okay. So if the customer is telling bad, can we tell okay, that's fine?
No, sir.
No, right? Yeah. So that is the reason we are just feeling sorry for that. That is, I'm really sorry for that. It will take just 2 minutes of your valuable time. Shall I proceed? So you have to concentrate something related to telecalling here. Okay, these are all not just answers. This is completely related to telecalling. Okay, or understanding the situation of the customer. Okay, the customer is saying bad. He is not okay. He is not fine. He is not well. He is telling he is bad. Okay, that time you are just because we have disturbed them. Okay, by calling. So we have to ask sorry for that. Okay, I'm really sorry for that. Okay, and it will take just 2 minutes of your valuable time. Okay, that means like we are telling we are not going to disturb you not more than 2 minutes. Okay, it will take less than 2 minutes because this is a important thing for us. Okay, in that way, for that only we are calling promotional offers for them. Okay, to save their hard-earned money. Okay, and we are informing them it will take just 2 minutes time, and we are asking the permission also, since they are telling that they are bad, we are asking the permission also to speak. Okay, if you are getting the permission with them, and then if you are speaking, they will allow you to speak. They won't hang up in the middle. Okay, or otherwise, if you are telling you are bad, I'm really sorry, I have a wonderful offer. If you are moving in that way, it won't work. So ask the permission. Shall I proceed? You are telling it will take just 2 minutes, and you have to ask permission. Okay, so I'm really sorry for that. It will take just 2 minutes of your valuable time. Shall I proceed? Okay, this is what you are going to speak with the customer. Everyone use this dialogue for at least 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, the same dialogues whenever they are telling. Practice in this way. Okay, check how good they are responding. Even if they are not responding good, don't worry. This is a good dialogue you can use. Okay, if you feel something is better than this, definitely you can use that. Okay, that is after 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yes. And when the customer is busy, they are busy, but we are calling them, and our duty is to sell the service to the customer. Okay, we are also busy in selling to the customer, but they are busy in some other work. Okay, so they are telling busy. So you are telling again, I am really sorry for disturbing you. Since the customer is busy, we have disturbed by calling. So we are telling, I am really sorry for disturbing you. It will take, again, we are telling the same thing. It will take just 2 minutes of your valuable time, which will save your hard-earned money. That means already they are busy in some other work. Okay, if we are disturbing when they are busy, that should be a valuable point to we have to inform the customer that this call is going to save their hard-earned money. Okay. Unless otherwise, why should they leave their work and they should listen to you, right? So that is what important is. We are telling them this is like it will take just 2 minutes of their time, and this will save their hard-earned money. That is what we are registering here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the next one, when you are asking how are you, the customer is saying good. That means that's really great. Okay, when the customer is saying good, for example, I am asking Manoj, how are you? He is telling, I am good. Okay, I should, oh, you're good. Okay. I cannot say in that way, right? I am the one who is asking, how are you? Then I should, again I have to acknowledge him in a proper way when he is telling he is good. Okay, we should not ask how are you or how are you doing today for formality. Okay, it should, you have to ask that with every customer, you have to ask it from your heart. Okay, only then you can greet the customer, only then you can acknowledge the customer in a proper way. Okay, so don't don't read the dialogue or speak it from your heart. Okay, then it will work out. Okay, then telecalling becomes very easy. Fine. So when we are telling good, what is the answer? What is the when the customer is saying good, what is the acknowledgement you are going to give? Yes. Now we are going to have a sample call. Okay, with the same 3 guys. Okay, first 3 guys. Okay. So starting with the intro. Let me show you an example. Hi, this customer is going to say it's just good only. Don't worry on that. Okay. Hi, this is Sam from SureDirect. How are you doing today? Customer is telling I'm good. The agent will be telling that's really great. Okay. This is what we are going to do. A simple small mock call. Okay. Fine. So let us start with who is it? Left to who is near to Manoj? Yeah. What's your name? Akshay. Yeah. Akshay. So I'll be the customer and your agent. You can start with the intro.
And this is John from SureDirect. How are you, sir?
Don't use sir. Okay. You know what is the meaning of sir? Guys, do you know what is the meaning of sir? Respect? Okay. I will tell you what is the explanation of sir. Okay. Slave, I respect or remain. Okay. I think slave, I respect. Slave, I remain or slave, I respect. You can Google it and you can find it out later. Okay. Are we slaves for the customer? For other people? No, right? Okay, then why we have to say sir? Okay. Even don't call me sir. For every team I usually tell, call me Naren, don't call me sir. Okay. Fine. So just call me Naren. People, if any one of you guys are using sir hereafter, after the session you can just have a task for them, like dancing or singing or doing some other task. Okay, any funny task. Okay, so every guys watch, if someone is using sir in the session or in the call, give them a task after this session. Okay. Yeah, I guess like it is like slave I remain is the proper thing. You can Google it and you can find it out later. Okay. Don't use sir always with the customer, because if you are using it, the customer will be thinking like you are not from their country because they don't use sir. Okay, got it, guys? Yes. Yeah, what I was telling is the customer, they never use sir. Okay.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, fine. Can you hear me now? Is it okay? Hi guys, can you hear me now? I guess it is reconnecting. Let me wait for you. Yeah guys, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Good, okay. What I was telling is the Canadian people or US people, they don't use sir among themselves. They use their names to call. Okay, fine. So if you find the customer's first name on the CRM, okay, or otherwise in the middle of the call, you can ask the customer, how can I call you? Okay, in the middle of the conversation, don't ask questions initially. In the middle of the call, you can ask customer, how can I call you? They will say, you can Sam. Likewise, they will be telling their first name. Then see Sam, like this is a wonderful offer. Okay, so today so many people has taken this package. Okay, this is only for the selected customers in your area. So don't miss it. Okay. So I will make the installation free for you. Okay, I will give you lot many offers. As definitely you should not miss. That is what my suggestion is. Okay. In this way you can add up something. You can build a rapport with the customer. Okay. In the middle of the conversation, I'm telling. Okay. When you are speaking in this way, they give all kind of information to you. Okay. Yes. So now let us move on to the acknowledgement and mock call part now. So yes, come again, John. John, you can just start again.
Hi, this is John from ShortDirect. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
That's good. Sir, I have a great cup of your television where you can enjoy watching more than 18 channels.
Fine. Good. I appreciate. We are going to end up the call up to the acknowledgement only. Okay. Our motive is to practice up to acknowledgement only. Okay. Fine. Yeah, come again, John.
Okay. And this is John from ShortDirect. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
That's really great. I have a great topic for your television.
Fine. So you have to stop up to this. You are going to tell. That's really great. That is it. You have practiced well. I can understand. The guys who has given the practice for you, he has done his job well. Okay. Even in sleep, if I'm, if you are waken up, you will speak the complete call. I understand that and I appreciate that. Okay. Good. Fine. Give him a good applause. Fine. Good. So now with Manoj, what is your pseudonym? Max, right? Max. Okay. Fine. Yes, Max. You can start.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Max.
That's good.
Fine. Okay. That's good. That's really great. Both are the same. Okay. Good. Yes. Next.
Hi, this is Justin calling from ShortDirect. How are you doing today?
Yes, I'm fine, Justin. How are you?
That's really great.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Fine. That's really great. This is the answer for how are you doing today. So this is what, while practicing the dialogue, we should not, completely, we should not sink into the script. Okay. Script is only for the guidance. Okay. It is guidance. You listen to the customer voice and speak your own dialogues, but the dialogue should be close enough to the concept of the script. Okay, the meaning should not change, the mood should not change. That is what I am trying to say. I am not telling you have to completely follow the script and all. It is not needed. But if you feel, if you are not feeling comfortable to frame your own sentence, then get the help with the script. That is what my motive is. Okay, fine. So let us move. Let us have one more call with him. Yeah. Yes, Justin.
Hi, this is Justin calling from ShortDirect. How are you?
Yes, Justin, I'm bad.
I'm really sorry for disturbing you. I have an exciting offer.
Okay, okay, that is enough. That is enough. This is a sample. Okay, this is a sample to know how good you have practiced. You guys have practiced. Okay, so based on this, I can arrange the next session for you. Okay, after our session, I can inform like what can be the next practice session for you. So that is why I'm just making this sample. No worries on this. We can practice. No worries. Okay. What we are going to plan is like we plan to dial on Thursday. Okay. But once you practice, we can go for live anytime. Okay. So don't worry on that. You'll be having enough time for practice. So now let us move on to the next one. Sick. So what will you do? If someone is sick, what you will usually do? Yeah, we will wish them to get well soon, right? Yeah, in telecalling also we have to do the same. We should not force the customer to take the package when they are sick. Okay, that is not humanity, right? Yeah. Whatever, we have to achieve the sales, whatever, but still, it is humanity is first. So selling is not important at this time when the customer is sick. When the customer is saying I'm sick, tell them you have disturbed them. Okay, so I'm really sorry for disturbing you, get well soon. That is it. Just say this and hang up the call. Okay. Yeah, the next one is fine, that's good. So when the customer is saying fine, that's good, you can use that really great also. Okay, when the customer is saying I'm good, you are telling that's great. When the customer is saying fine also, you can say that's really great. Okay, but don't say that's really great when the customer is saying I'm okay. I'm okay means it's a normal reply. Okay, I'm okay. Yes, tell me. Okay, in a normal way they are telling. If you are telling, for example, I'm asking Manoj is asking me. Sorry, I'm asking Manoj, how are you? He is telling I'm okay. Wow, Manoj, you're okay. That's really great. Fine. They will be thinking. Okay, they will be thinking. They will be laughing, but they won't do. They won't do it louder. Okay, inside they will be thinking, okay, what is this guy? Okay, but they will be hating the telecaller because of these things only. Okay, artificial things should not be there. It should be a real call. The emotion should be real. Okay, they are your customer, right? Then why should not you speak with your proper emotions? I mean, like emotions in the sense like, why don't you carry your customer? Okay, why don't you know whether they are busy or bad or sick? Or whether they are good. Okay, so when you make a sale with that customer, you are happy, right? But when you try to make a call to the customer, why don't you speak it from your heart? Okay, so definitely speak from your heart. That will give you a good, you will become a good telecaller. Okay, yeah, making more number of sales, that is not a quality telecaller. Those guys are not quality telecallers. Okay, making quality sales with quality customers where that sales is getting installed and the customer is also getting benefited. So those guys are called quality telecallers. Okay, try to become a quality telecallers. Okay, fine. So let us move on to the next point. Not interested. Yes, we will get customers. They don't know what is the service. They don't know. They won't hear about the company also. Directly they will tell you, I'm not interested. Okay, you are telling, hi, this is Sam from Shaw Direct. Hi, this is Sam from Bell Canada. Hi, Sam from Vanish. Whatever you say. Okay. Hi, this is Sam from Cleaning Service. Whatever you say, they will tell you, not interested. I'm busy. Call me later. Any one of these dialogues they will tell you. But we should not leave them. Okay. How can you say not interested? I'm giving you such a wonderful offer. How can you say this? I came from my house to office. Okay. Even in this corona, I came to office and I'm calling you. How can you say not interested? Okay, this is what you have to. It should run in your mind, and you have to tell them like, I'm just trying to save your hard-earned money. So could you please spend 2 minutes of your valuable time? Okay. That means like you are telling, it is not like pulling the money from you. We are not going to take the money out of your pocket. We are just trying to save your hard-earned money. Your monthly bills will reduce maybe after this call. Okay. In that way we are just communicating this. Okay, this is indirect dialogue. Okay, but it has so many meaning, but not all the customers will be interested for this dialogue, but people who are ready to listen, they are your customers. From then, take care of that customer properly. You can just move on to the next stages of the call. Okay, make that as a long call, and that long call will convert as a sale call. Okay. Don't directly focus on sale right from the first dialogue or from the middle of the call. Just push the call to the next stages. Okay, concentrate on the liveliness of the call. Then it will automatically take you to the sale. Okay, you don't pull the customer for sales. Okay, you just take the customer to the next levels. Then you and the customer, both of you will be in the booking stage. Properly you can book the stage without any nervousness, and sales will happen automatically. Okay. But in this approach, if you are treating a customer, you won't feel nervous. Okay. If you are thinking, okay, we have to book the package, that is very important. Okay, we should not miss any of the information. Okay, we have to ask that information, right? I don't know whether this customer will give or not. Okay, if you are thinking all these things in your mind while you are speaking, when you are in the middle of the call or in the initial stage of the call, definitely it is very hard to make a sale. Mostly we will be losing the sale. Okay, so just think about the present situation, what customer is speaking, listen to that, answer for their queries. Okay, take them to the next level, make them to feel better to speak with you. Okay, treat them good. Definitely they won't hang up the call in the middle. Okay, it will automatically push you and the customer to the next levels. Okay, focus on the present and the next dialogue. Okay, that is what you have to do. You got it right? What I am speaking is very, very, very important. Okay, people who take this, you can win the situation. That is what. Okay, don't think dialogues alone is going to help you. Definitely dialogues are not going to make sales. Okay, if you speak all these dialogues, definitely that is not going to help. In what way you are speaking these dialogues to the customer, in what situation you are treating the customer in a proper way based on their situation. That is what very important is. It is not only for freshers, 10 years experienced, making very good sales, even for them this is applicable. Okay, yeah. So now, not interested, any one of you can read this first, and we are going to have a sample call for not interested customer also. Now, any one of you, Manoj, you can read that first.
I'm just trying to save your hard money. So could you please spend 2 minutes of your valuable time?
Yes. So now, let us start with Akshay again. Yes, Akshay. Now I'm going to tell not interested only. Okay, I'm going to tell not interested. But you are going to start from the first. Yeah.
Hi, this is John from Shaw Direct. How are you?
I'm not interested.
I'm just trying to save your hard money. So please could you spend your 2 minutes of valuable time?
Yes. Guys, even I have the same problem. When I was dialing before 6-7 years, I guess. Okay. When I start a call, or otherwise in the middle of the call, when I start a dialogue, I will be using. Even now I use those kind of things. Okay. In telecalling, we have to avoid that one. Okay. For example, a customer is saying, "I'm not interested. I'm just trying to." Don't try to cut down those things. Even leave a gap or leave a pause, a fraction of a second. Start with the dialogue. Customer is saying, "I'm not interested. I'm just trying to save your hard-earned money. So could you please spend 2 minutes of your valuable time?" Like this you can speak. You got it? Yeah. Now again with Akshay, be cool, speak very slowly. Yeah, start.
This is John from Shaw Direct. How are you?
I'm not interested.
I'm just trying to save your hard money. So please could you spend your 2 minutes of valuable time?
Fine, give him a good applause now. Yes. So now I'm going to give you guys individual comments. Okay. Telecallers should get the comments and they have to correct it from the next time. Okay. So that is what the good quality to treat the next customer in a proper way. Otherwise there is no use of dialing the whole day. Okay. If you do mistakes, stop dialing, start practicing. Once you become perfect, again start dialing. Okay, that will help you. If you are doing it for complete 8 hours, the same mistake for complete 8 hours, you know you will get used to the mistake. I mean, like you will perfectly practice the dialogues with the mistakes. Okay, so before why should we stop dialing and practice? Before that we have enough time, right? We can practice it. Okay, so now I have a suggestion for Akshay. Akshay, it is only for you. Okay, whatever the dialogue is, practice like anything. When you are delivering the dialogue, you should not stammer at all. Okay, I appreciate you were in semi-voice team. Now you have been promoted to voice team. That is really I appreciate for that. And here that R sound even I use. Okay, but with the customer, they won't feel they won't trust us sometimes. They will be thinking like, okay, this guy is thinking and then answering. Okay, they will be thinking in that way. So you have to cut down those things. Definitely it is easy one. Okay, leave a fraction of second, then start speaking. Okay, if you immediately if you are trying to answer immediately, then we will start I'm just trying to, in this way it will come. But instead of you just cut down that fraction of second, start with the dialogue. Okay, for this you should know all the dialogues. Okay, you have to keep all the dialogues in your mind. Okay, fine, good. So now Manoj, you can start. Max.
Hi, this is Max from Short Direct. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
That's great.
Yeah, I have told you even in the first set of call also. I have told you I'm going to say good or something like that. But I said bad or something like that in the middle of the call for the guy who is sitting here, right? So in this way, now I'm telling some other thing. We should not leave a gap. We should know because we are expecting like you are expecting like I'm going to tell not interested. Okay, yes I said, but the customer, okay, the customer is telling something different. So what we have to do is listening to the customer and we have to answer. That is what we have to do. Okay, practice these things. Play a game after the session only for this acknowledgement. You can name that game as acknowledgement game. Okay, you can name that game as acknowledgement game. Okay, one guy will be sitting. Okay, all guys will, for example, Manoj will be sitting in front of the laptop. Okay, and all other guys will be sitting behind. Okay, Manoj will be seeing only laptop. Okay, if you want, you can have the dialogue, or otherwise you can practice all the dialogues. What people are going to do is Manoj will be Max will be speaking a dialogue. Hi, this is Sam from Short Direct. How are you? Suddenly Vijay will tell I'm bad. Okay, you have to reply. Again you will be telling Max will be telling hi, this is Sam from Short Direct. How are you? Srinivasan will be telling I'm good or I'm busy. Okay, likewise play a game. Okay, definitely you can find out, it will be funny, and what are the mistakes, how many times you are doing mistakes. Like this you can understand. Okay, if you practice this, if you are taking this game as a serious one, instead of thinking okay pricing is important or booking the package is very important. People are thinking like booking the package is very important. They are thinking in this way. Okay, usually for every process, for any country process. Okay, but it is not so. When we are perfect in the first stage of the call, initial stage of the call, then only we can move for the booking stages, right? If we are not perfect in the initial stage of the call, how can we go for booking the package? Is it correct? Yeah. So practice this well. Okay. Then you go for promotion, pricing or whatever. Okay. Be thorough in the pricing and whatever the things. Okay. After that only booking the package. Okay. People who are perfect in call, they can practice booking the package. Or otherwise they can transfer the call to the senior agent and they will take care of the sales for you. Okay. They will complete the booking things for you. Okay guys. So don't concentrate on booking initially, concentrate on the initial stage of the call, then middle part of the call, and then rebuttals. The last part is booking the package. Okay, because for booking the package, some people will be ready to help you. Okay, some people will be always there in a center to help you. Like you can transfer the call and it will be added into your sales account. Okay, they will finish the sales for you. But Only if you are doing all the things perfectly up to the middle stage of the call, okay, before booking the package, only then you can transfer the call, right? Okay, there is no use of practicing up to the booking stage. But I appreciate that. But still, be perfect before booking the package. Okay, up to booking the package, you have to be very thorough in this dialogues. Okay, in what way you are speaking, how you are speaking. Fine. So next, Manoj, now you have left a gap, right? A small fraction of second or 1 second gap was there, right? So that happens because we are expecting that this customer is going to tell not interested. That is what. Okay. So that is why, this is the practice. So that is why I said acknowledgement game you have to play. Instead of making this situation, if I'm telling play acknowledgement game, maybe you might not be interested. You guys might not be interested because why should we play these things? And it is not that much needed. You might think, but you have seen in the real time scenario, right? Yeah. So this game will be really important for you. So you can just do this. Okay, fine. And then who is that? Name? The next one?
Srinivas.
No. Srinivas, like your pseudonym.
Justin.
Justin. Yeah, Justin. Yes, Justin.
Hi, this is Justin calling from Shorter. How are you?
Yes, Justin. I'm sick. I'm sorry.
Really sorry for coming, sir.
Is it starting with really or I'm really sorry? Did you start with really or did you start with I'm really sorry?
Really sorry for disturbing you.
No, that is what I'm asking. Did you start with I am really sorry or the way you are starting with really? Oh, you started with I am. Okay, because I couldn't hear it properly. I'm really sorry for disturbing you. There also. Okay, fine. Yeah, even you, made a little gap before answering. Okay, customers won't be holding the call initially. They will be trying to move out of the call. So don't leave the customer. Immediately we have to answer at the initial stage of this call. That is acknowledgement part. Okay. So let us move on to what is beep. Yeah, when the customer is abusing. Yeah, when the customer is abusing or if they are using bad words. Very rarely it happens, US customers they use in that way. Okay, but Canadian customers are not so, but still sometimes. Okay, if they are busy at the time, if we are disturbing them, definitely they will use. But don't worry at all. Okay, they are not getting some benefits. They are losing those benefits because of not speaking with us. Okay, fine. So you just ask because we are the one who disturbed them, right? So why don't we ask sorry? So I'm sorry, and then you can just hang up the call. Okay? You don't need to speak further with them. You can just hang up the call right away. Okay? Yeah. Now we are going to move for pitching the promotion. Okay? So pitching the promotion. So exciting or great is there, right? I have an exciting or great. Some people who are freshers, what they are doing is an exciting. Okay, that they how they are practicing call is I have an exciting great offer. That is not so. Okay, that is slash is there, right? That means or. Okay, you have to use any one of these things. Okay, and an exciting is correct. I have an exciting offer. That is correct. Or I have a great offer. I have a great offer. Okay, don't use I have an great offer. Okay, vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so that is why people are giving preference for experienced guys. Okay, to earn good income. But you guys are freshers. You are given chance in your office. Okay, Bhushan has given chance for you guys, right? So prove that you are equal to experienced people. Okay, by speaking the proper dialogue without making any mistakes. Okay, yeah. So you can use an exciting or a great offer. Okay, so that is I have an exciting offer for your television where you can enjoy watching more than 90 channels, which includes regional, mandatory Canadian networks, major US networks, popular sports channels, and much more for just $44.99. Okay, you have to speak in this way. Do not read it, or otherwise do not run. Okay, you should not do in this way. I have an exciting offer for your television where you can enjoy watching more than 90 channels, which includes regional, mandatory Canadian networks, major US networks, popular sports channels, and much more for just $44.99. Okay, I don't know the meaning what I have done now. Okay, if I'm doing it, then how customer will get the meaning on this? Okay, running, stucking in the middle. Okay, this won't work out. Speak very slowly. I have an exciting offer for your television. Okay, you have to leave a pass there, so that oh, this is television offer. Customer will be, you have to give some time, at least fraction of time, to make the customer to think. You are getting training for 1 week or 5 days, and you are speaking a call. Did the customer get training with you? They don't know anything. They are just blindly attending the call, and they are going to hear whatever you say. Okay, 3 or 4 sentences with channels and pricing. Okay, about the television. If you are just dumping all those things, how can they listen? How can they decide? Okay, so you have to make them to think while you are speaking itself. Okay, or otherwise if you are running, they will hang up the call, or otherwise they will be thinking, okay, we cannot decide anything on call, let us go to the direct store and we can take the package. In this way only they will be thinking. Okay, so be very slow, not too slow. Okay, I have an exciting offer for your television. Leave a gap there. Okay, there is a comma there for you, where you can enjoy watching more than 90 channels. You have to stress 90 channels. Okay, where you can enjoy watching more than 90 channels. There you can just leave a gap. Okay, you can just make a comma also there. More than 90 channels. The commas will not come somewhere, but for your convenience you are just making a comma. Okay, so that you can leave a pass for practicing. It will be useful for you. More than 90 channels, which includes, again you can have a comma there, which includes, you have to leave a pass only, then they can hear regional, mandatory, likewise they can understand. Speak in this way. Okay, which includes regional, mandatory Canadian networks, major US networks, popular sports channels, and much more for just, then you have to pronounce this pricing separately. Okay, and much more for just $44.99. It is not $44.99 or $44.99 and all, or $44.99 and all. Don't use dollars after the numbers. Okay, it is $44.99. This is how they pronounce. So we have to use the same thing, and you have to ask okay in a polite way. Okay, in this way you have to speak with the customer. Okay, don't think speaking dialogue alone will help you. Okay, you have to speak the dialogues with the proper modulation, with the politeness, with the proper pass. Only then it will work out for freshers. That is what I'm insisting here. Okay, I have an exciting offer for your television, where you can enjoy watching more than 90 channels, which includes regional, mandatory Canadian networks, major US networks, popular sports channels, and much more for just $44.99. Okay, this is how you have to speak the dialogue. Okay, I'm not going to give you a burden now. Okay, you can practice in this way, and you have to implement whatever I am telling on your mock calls. Okay, guys. Fine. So kindly listen, listen and concentrate whatever I'm telling, because if I'm not getting that quality, like the modulation or the pass, if you're running with high speed, definitely it is not going to work. Okay, instead of wasting the minutes, the data, the electricity, that is a waste of time, right? So if you are doing it in a perfect way, definitely you will be inside the center. That is what my suggestion is. So that is why I am directly guiding you. Okay, instead of making a trainer to connect with you, the only reason I am connecting with the Bhushan Center is I just want to make you to go for the next levels. Okay. Yeah. So let us move on to what is the next line, like, and you will get one high definition, that is, and you will get a high definition personal video recorder, that is PVR, absolutely free. You don't need to pronounce PVR and all. You can tell them, and you will get a high definition personal video recorder absolutely free. Or if you want, you can neglect absolutely. You can just go for free alone. Okay. So and you will get a high definition personal video recorder for free. For free you can use. Okay. Or absolutely free. Okay. Yes. So here you are asking okay with the customer. Okay. After asking okay, the customer might be telling yes or whatever. Okay, they will give you a positive acknowledgement or negative acknowledgement, whatever they are giving. Don't worry. Just move on. Once they reply, then move on to high definition personal video recorder. Okay. If they are not answering anything, if they are not acknowledging, but if they are just listening, okay, you know they are on call, but they are not responding you, then leaving 1 second gap, you can move on to this dialogue and you will get one high definition personal video recorder for free. Okay. Yes. Next, confirmation of service provider. Okay, this is a common point for all the services. Now we are seeing Shaw directly. Okay, but you know how we are going to start a call? Not with Shaw direct. We are going to start a call as we are going to speak for Canadian Telecom Service, right? So all three services are included in that. So we are going to start the call. Hi, this is Sam from Canadian Telecom Service. How are you doing today? In this way. So don't practice as Shaw direct or Umatelo or CAK Internet. Just practice as hi, this is Sam from Canadian Telecom Service. How are you doing today? In this way you can practice. Okay, for all calls. And this fourth point, confirmation of the service provider, is common for all. Okay, right? You know, you will be asking the service provider for their internet, landline, that is home phone, and for the television also. Okay, you got it right? You know, in a single stretch also you can ask, but they won't tell you what is the service provider for all the service. Sometimes that time you can ask only for television. You know, there is you have to play little tactics here. Everyone listen, concentrate here. While you are asking, may I know who is your current service provider for your television? They are answering. Again you are asking, after after pitching the promotion for television, you are asking the customer, who is your current service provider for your home phone? Again you are asking, who is your current service provider for internet? Like this, if you are repeating the question, it will get irritated to the customer. Okay, customer will get irritation. So there are some practice here. It won't work for all customers, but we can try it. Okay. May I know who is your current service provider for your television? You are asking. Okay. The customer is telling, I'm using Bell Canada. Okay. Oh, you are using for Bell Canada for your television, right? You can just reconfirm it, and for your home phone and internet also you are using Bell Canada, right? In this way you can just close all the things here itself. So you don't need to ask this question again. You got it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And when they are telling Bell Canada, don't tell them that's really great. Okay, we should not appreciate for using Bell Canada, and we should not blame the service also. Okay. Oh, you are using Bell Canada, that is a cheap service. You cannot speak in that way. That is not good manners. Okay. That is a different company. That is also a good company. Okay. So, okay, you are using Bell Canada, that's fine. You can just say that's fine, that's okay. Okay. In this way you can, that's fine as a neutral dialogue. Okay. Okay, fine. So now, a confirmation of service provider. May I know who is your current service provider for your television? We are asking, they are telling Bell Canada. You have to do acknowledgement. You have to acknowledge. Okay, that's fine. Okay. And now, what you are going to do is, definitely you have to reconfirm the service provider. Okay, that is must. Okay. While reconfirming, what you can do is, for example, when the customer is saying, I'm using Rogers. Okay. For the television they are using Rogers. They might be using different service for internet and home phone also, but the customer is telling Rogers. You can just reconfirm it. So you are using your television with Rogers, right? Okay, you have to reconfirm it. Okay. Yeah, the customer is they might be telling yes. Okay, fine. Then only you have to move on to the next part. But there is an option for you. You don't need to reconfirm immediately after confirmation of service provider. After fourth point, it is not must. You have to follow the fifth point. Okay, reconfirmation can be asked before booking the package also. Okay, not after booking the package, but you have to reconfirm it definitely once in a call, once in that call, at least before booking the package. Okay, fine. Because sometimes customers get irritated if you are reconfirming it. Okay, I said it clearly, right? In this way they will be thinking. Okay, fine. Explanation of the promotion. Sixth point is explanation of the promotion. You can see the sixth point there, right? Yeah. So, this is such a big dialogue, but we are not going to speak the complete dialogue to the customer. Okay, I will tell you how to handle this. Okay. As I said before, do you know what is the meaning of as I said before? Anyone louder, please? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Like this, the first three guys. Okay. What you are going to do is you are going to move to the last row. Okay. The middle row guys will be coming to the first row now. Okay. All four guys. The first four guys, you can just move. Adults, come on. You can also go, like who is that? TV24, some near to Superman, yeah. Yes. You can also go back. This guy. Yeah. What is your name? I'm sorry. Sai. Okay. Yes. Fine, guys. So now, what we are going to see is everyone kindly concentrate here. Yeah. As I said before, means indirectly you are telling the customer. See here, you have to listen to me with concentration. This is what you are informing to the customer. Okay, I am not telling to you now. You are telling to the customer indirectly. Okay, you have to listen to the conversation. What I am going to inform you now. Okay, that is what you are going to inform the customer. As I said before, that means already I have said something. Now I am going to repeat it. Okay, but you are not going to repeat anything. This is a new sentence. You are going to speak about some channels. Okay. That means the customer will be thinking, okay, as I said before, means they will add up some concentration in your call. Okay, that is why we are adding this dialogue here. Okay, we are starting this dialogue in this way. As I said before, you can watch all major networks like AMC, CNN, TLC, BBC, Bravo, Food Network, History, many kids and news channels along with entertainment channels. In addition, you will hello guys, can you hear me now? Okay, let me wait for you. Yes guys, I hope you can hear me, right? Fine, I repeat what I have done now. So I will tell you where you have to leave a gap here. Okay. As I said before, you have to leave a gap here. Okay, you can just make a comma there later. As I said before, you can watch all major networks like all major networks. After networks, you can have leave a gap there. As I said before, you can no, don't worry, I will just send you the document. Okay, I'm just making comma in my document and I will send you those things to you. Okay, this is happening only because of you guys are fresher, right? You don't have any experience in speaking with the customer, so that is why I'm just adding some more concentration on you guys. Okay, to make these dialogues to work for you in a perfect way. Okay, fine. So as I said before, you can watch all major networks like AMC, CNN, TLC, BBC, Bravo, Food Network, History, many kids and news channels. You have to leave a gap here. Many kids and news channels. Many kids and news channels along with after news channels, leave a gap there. Okay, along with entertainment channels. Okay, if you are speaking in this way, don't read it. If you are speaking in this way, like leaving the gap, definitely customer can listen to these channels, and any one of these channels or many of these channels might attract the customer. Maybe they might not be getting any one of these channels, or they might be interested in those channels. So definitely they will be willing to they will be willing to switch their service from their old service to our service. Okay, don't think the pricing is the only factor a customer will think. The preference or the channels, the favorite channels. Okay, these are some major channels. Okay, so AMC, CNN, TLC, BBC, Bravo, Food Network, History, many kids and news channels, along with entertainment channels. Okay, after this, just ask them okay. Again, ask them okay. You got it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, give me a moment, guys. Here some vehicle is going. Yeah, I guess like outside a big construction vehicle that was going, it was making a big sound. It is showing some other, the construction kind of things where it is towing that vehicle. So it was making very big noise. Fine. So now you are just asking okay. Then you are adding up the other dialogue. You have to get the acknowledgement after asking okay with the customer. Then only we have to move for the next dialogue. That is, in addition, you will wait. Just give me a moment. Yeah. In addition, you can record 300 hours of high definition channels in the high definition personal video recorder. Okay. Did we say something before, like we are giving free high definition video recorder? We have said, right? Yeah. So we are making them to remember about that thing. This guy is giving some free device, that is personal device, and we can record 300 hours of high definition channels in our with our television. Okay, they might be having a normal recorder, okay, with a different service provider, but we are providing a free high definition personal video recorder. Okay, this might attract the customer, so you have to highlight these things. Okay, after doing this, after telling in addition you can record 300 hours of high definition channels in the high definition personal video recorder, you can ask for acknowledgement. That sounds good, right? You can ask them. Okay, that sounds good, right? Okay, so that they will acknowledge something. Every time if you are asking okay, that won't be good. Okay, so what you are going to do is it fine for you? Likewise, you can ask. Use different acknowledgement. That sounds good, right? You can ask in this way, or otherwise. That sounds interesting, right? In this way, you can ask. Okay, use different kind of acknowledgements. Only then the call sounds good. Okay, fine. The next dialogue. Let us move on to the next dialogue with the same sixth point, that is explaining the promotion. For enjoying more than 90 channels, we are speaking about channels. For enjoying more than 90 channels, as a promotional offer, you will be paying just $44.99. Okay, you are just leaving a gap here and leaving a pass, a fraction of second. Okay, $44.99 for the first 3 months. after 3 months you are going to leave a gap. Okay, for the first 3 months, and after you pronounce and, leave a gap again, and after that it will be you have to leave a gap there. After that it will be $76 forever. Okay guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to send you the document also after this session. I will just save this document. Okay, punctuation we are just adding up here. Okay, so that you can leave a pass there. The call will sound good. Okay, fine. So again, I'm doing the same. For enjoying more than 90 channels as a promotional offer, you will be paying just $44.99 for the first 3 months, and after that it will be $76 forever. Okay. You have to highlight the pricing definitely, and after that you can have a comma there, and it will be comma $76 forever. This price, the prices will not hike in future. Okay, you can tell them the prices will not hike in future, or otherwise you can tell them this price will not hike in future. Any kind of dialogue you can use there. Okay, you can leave a gap after forever, then you can say this price will not rise in future, this price will not increase in future, the prices will not go up in future. Okay, any kind of dialogue you can use it. Okay, proper dialogue you can use it. I hope you are, then after this you can say okay, or otherwise you can have some positive acknowledgement, questioning acknowledgement. Okay, then you are telling the customer like, I hope you are interested with this package. This is the question, or you are just telling the customer, you are asking the idea of the customer. I hope you are interested with this package. If the customer is saying yes, well and good, you can go for the next. They are done, like nearly they are done. Okay, fine. The next point, 7th point is, do you live in a house or an apartment? Okay, do you live in a house or an apartment? You know very well, we are not going to make sales for apartment, we are not going to dial for apartment also. Okay, so what you are going to do is, you are just going to find out whether the customer is living in house. If they are saying I'm living in house, that is well and good, you can just go for booking the package. Okay, yeah, so you are just asking them, do you live in a house or an apartment? They are telling house, you are just going to make a note of it. Okay, in your CRM page, like you can just type capital H, that means they are living in house. That is enough. You don't need to type they are living in house, or otherwise house complete HOUSE, that is not needed. You can just use a code H, that means they are living in house. If you are using A, that means they are living in apartment. At this time, if they are telling, I'm living in apartment, you can tell them, I'm really sorry, this promotion does not apply for apartment. Definitely, when the promotion comes for apartment, definitely I will call you. Don't, you can just hang up the call there. Okay, fine. But you won't get apartment calls often. Okay, very rarely. Okay, yeah. And then we can move for this booking package and all. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow sharp at 11:30, right? Your time is. I have the next session now. By 2:30 itself, I would have started that. So nearly it is 15 minutes more than that. So let me quickly leave from you. Okay. Up to 7th point we have seen, right? And nearly the same thing applies for all the other dialogues. Okay, I mean other services. 7th point is common for all other services. Okay, and 5th point and 4th point, 4th and 5th point are also common for the Umatello and Short Direct. Okay, so acknowledgement is also same. Acknowledgement is also same for Umatello, Short Direct, and the other one. Okay, CAK Internet. Yes, and introduction is also same for all other service. Okay, so tomorrow we are not going to see the introduction. Tomorrow we are not going to see about acknowledgement because already we have seen it, and we are going to see only 3rd point in Umatello, 4th point in Umatello and CAK Internet. 3rd point in Umatello and CAK Internet, fourth point in sorry, not fourth point, I'm sorry, sixth point in Umatello and CAK Internet, and we are directly moving for booking the package. Eighth point, you got it right? Yes. So only 2 points in 2 services we are going to see. So tomorrow nearly up to 7 points we will be completing in all the services. Correct? Yeah. After booking package, let us see what is there here, like alternate number. Okay, why don't we complete this also? This is also common point, right? Come to the 9th point. Take the 9th point, alternate number. Collecting information in after booking the booking the package only, we are going to get their alternate number. We can see it now. If in case you are starting in this way, if I couldn't reach your home phone number, home phone, they have mentioned a home phone, you can use a home phone number. Okay. If I couldn't reach your home phone number, is there any alternate number like mobile number or cell phone number? Like this you can ask, because some people they use cell phone, they understand cell phone. Some people they use the word mobile phone. Old age people they use cell phone, the word cell phone. Some people they now we are calling it as mobile phone. Okay. If you're if the guy's age is more than 50, if you are asking, are you using a mobile phone? What? They will ask you what? If you are asking them, are you using a cell phone? They'll, yeah, I use a cell phone. Okay, in this way, so you can just ask them. If I couldn't reach your home phone number, is there any alternate number like mobile phone or cell phone? Okay, mobile phone number or cell phone number. Okay, like this you can ask, but you can use the same dialogue also, which is on there, which is on the script. Okay, and the next one is mode of payment, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So mode of payment, what you are going to ask is, may I know what is the mode of payment for billing, whether it is debit card or credit card. If they are telling debit card or credit card, whatever, that is enough. And if they after you get the information, just type it as D or otherwise C. That means debit card. D means debit card. C means credit card. Okay. You can just type in the CRM page. Okay, in the dialer page. Okay. Next one is you are going to ask, is it a master or visa? In a flow, after getting the information of whether it is debit card or credit card, in a flow you have to ask, is it a debit card or is it a master or visa? Okay, is it a master or visa? In a flow you have to ask and you have to get that. Okay, you got it right? If they are not providing the information, master or visa, don't worry. Okay, the next team will take care of those things. Don't worry on that, but you have to definitely ask them. Okay, fine. And if in case, if they are giving a negative reply, what you can say is, when I'm booking the package from my side, I can waive the installation fee of $50 for you. Okay, so you are telling, you are just giving this offer to this customer. Okay, whatever the data you are providing me, that will be entered in encrypted form. That means star marks. Okay, then no one can access it next time when it is written in when it is typed in encrypted form in star marks. Whatever you are typing, it will be typed in star marks. Okay, you are telling it. Definitely you can see it, but you are just telling the customer so that they can believe you. Okay, they can trust you without any fear. They can give the information. Okay, so you don't need to. So you are telling the customer, so you don't need to worry about your personal information, because we value our customer safety first. Okay, so we are going to keep the customer's information confidentially. Okay, and you are saying okay, and the customer, if they are willing to give, definitely they will provide the information. You got it right? Yeah. Yes. And the next point is home phone number confirmation. You are not going to get the number from the customer. Already it will be displayed on the screen. Okay. So what you are going to do is, I have your home phone number as 123-456-7891. Okay. Yeah. Yes. And after this, you are telling the customer, our verification team will call you within 24 hours. They will verify the price and package. Once again, you have to provide them your convenient date and time for installation. Okay. So this is what the important information. Yesterday also in the PowerPoint we have seen this, right? Yeah. So this is the important dialogue you are telling, and the last important dialogue, not last, 10th point is commitment. That is contract. The best part is you will not be under any contract with our service. You can use this dialogue in the middle of the call also. It is not like only after booking the package you should use it. It is not so. In the middle of the call also you can attract the customer by saying this point. The best part in our services, there will not be any contract for you. You won't be under any contract. Likewise, you can frame your own sentence, but if you want, you can use this sentence. The best part is you will not be under any contract with our service. Okay? We don't have term or agreement period in which if you are not satisfied with our service, then you may discontinue our service. This, within brackets, some information is there, right? That is, you don't need to inform this to the customer, but if the customer is not that satisfied to move from their existing service to our service, you can tell them. Okay, only at that case, you can tell them, you are not going to be in a contract. So what you can do is like, if you are not satisfied, you can discontinue our service. Okay, since you are not going to be in contract with us. Okay, but definitely you will love our service. In that way, you can end up that dialogue. Okay, fine. But don't use this for all the customers. Okay, that is for your information. For the customer who are not interested, before booking the package, if you are telling this dialogue. Okay, call closure. Thanks for choosing Canadian Telecom service and enjoy the service. In this way, you are going to finish the call when you are speaking for all the 3 services. Okay? Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So, let me see. Yeah, that is it. Okay, guys. Like, tomorrow we'll be having very few dialogues relating other services also. So, let us see those things. Okay. And I'm going to forward you this, punctuation. With the punctuation I have edited it. Okay, you can use this. Okay. I expect like you will be having some mock call session after this session. Okay, after a break. Okay, definitely practice well. Okay, practice well. Definitely that will help you when you are making calls. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for today. Tomorrow we can finish the complete script for all the 3 services. But in the meanwhile, practice well. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.